This actually works and it's super crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get Zooba hack free gems. So as you can see guys, we open it up and you guys can see right here that we are broke, but in the mod menu we can turn on free gems. So I just turned this on right here. So let's see if the gems start going up on Zooba. So as you can see guys, low amount, but hopefully we do see it start to rise up on the Zooba. So I'm just going to wait and see if this loads. So let's see what happens. You can see right here that it is loading. So they should, yes guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. It works on iOS and Android. So if you like to play Zooba guys, you got to try us out. So let's get into the video. So first thing we're going to do is going to be going on to tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in. Alright, so in the search bar guys, put Zooba, press install, and before it downloads it's going to be a verification. This is the last step. You got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions 100% for free from the official app store, and then you'll get the Zooba hack on your device. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. As you can see, so it's super cool guys, totally works. So you guys can try this out right now and you can get rich, which is awesome. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. As you can see, so it's loading up. So now it's taking us to that verification page where we just have to download the 2 apps. So as you can see guys, it says missing files. So just down 2 of them, like Underdog says down run for 30 seconds. Lucky Match, you know, scanner app, you gotta search something up by Moonicorn. So just make sure you do 2 of the apps. I'll see you guys later. Be subscribed to the channel. This is super cool guys, totally works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. There's a video if you're confused, but that's how I get Zooba hack for your device. So yeah, get the word out guys, because this is fully working. And I've tried a number of these. This is the only one I would recommend. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro.